What is going on? Welcome back to Charlie AI Release Communication. My name is Iggy Odigizua, and I'm the founder of CharlieAI.io. And it is crazy to say, we are at the end of the quarter. We're going to be diving into releases for March, which is going to close out our Q1 releases for 2026. So time is flying by, and so are we. This month, we focused on perfecting some of our integrations and core functionalities, but we also built some new stuff. 4 major releases that reduce costs, increase flexibility, and give you more control. So let's start with the exciting one, a brand new integration. We've integrated Linq Blue as a new phone number provider option, giving you fast, reliable numbers for your accounts in minutes. Connect directly to your Linq Blue account from Charlie and see all the related setters at a glance. And so the benefits of this is it's lower costs and no fees per message from Linq, less friction. You get set up within 24 hours, no A2P requirements, and you have total control. Now, please know for that, this new integration, it works for both GHL and directly into Charlie. So you can integrate Linq into your Go High Level account as a conversation provider. You can integrate it into your HubSpot account, and then you can also integrate it directly into Charlie and utilize it across any CRM that Charlie's integrated to. And so the way that this works is you log into Charlie, you go to integrations on the left-hand side, and then you click on phone numbers. And then from there, you click on Linq Blue, and then you'll be able to provide your credentials and then add a phone number to Charlie, and then you can assign it to a setter that you choose. That is a Linq integration. Next up, we've got a new and improved Zapier integration. So we've updated our Zapier application, and now you can activate DM setters without requiring a Twilio phone number. Charlie will automatically use whichever number you have already configured inside of the Charlie application. This system intelligence selects the right provider based on your setter configuration. And what this really does is it unlocks a simpler integration setup at no additional requirements that slow you down. And it gives you extra flexibility to use the phone number that you prefer inside of Charlie, and then Charlie will know which number to use when you assign it leads from Zapier. So zero friction, more control. And then now moving on with the integration updates. We have included some improvements for GHL, so you can now leverage custom fields with 2 groundbreaking capability. First, automatically update custom fields based on Charlie action. So if Charlie DQs a lead, if a lead responds, if lead reaches CTA, or if Charlie books a lead, like you can start updating custom fields based on those things. And then if you have a dialer integrated into GHL or any other automations inside of GHL, you can start setting up triggers for those additional automations based on the custom fields that Charlie's updating, right? And then second, you can now select the same custom field multiple times when creating custom field updates. So you can set up these rules inside of GHL. And the impact is richer CRM data, and you can capture nuanced lead information across multiple scenarios and automatically sync the data. So no manual updates, no lag whatsoever. So this gives you workflow flexibility, and you can build custom automations with the field level precisions. And this will allow you to optimize your GHL accounts and start to tie more actions directly into Charlie. When you go into the AI agents, you select the use case that you want to configure. You go to integrations, look at the GHL, the Go High Level integration, you click settings, and then now you can map custom fields that you want Charlie to update, and you can set up those custom fields rules. And so you can add multiple custom fields that you want Charlie to update dynamically based on conversations that it's having with the lead and the outcomes of those actual conversations with the lead. So now, and finally, specific training data steps. So we've heard your feedback and completely simplified how you provide training data to Charlie. Now you can select the exact step your training data should apply to, whether it's intro, whether it's a specific qualification objectives, whether it's talk later or auto booking. or wherever you, or whether it's DQ'd. So you can start to apply specific training data steps to Charlie. And why this matters is this gives you the ability to train Charlie differently for specific conversation stages. Because when you're building out and optimizing your messaging process, even when you're training your reps, there are certain nuances that you're looking for at the different stage in the sales process. So now you can train Charlie specifically for that stage and start giving it the nuanced understanding that it needs to have to handle different responses that a lead could possibly give at that specific stage in your messaging process. So training specific behaviors without affecting the entire flow. So you can say, at this stage, these are the nuances of handling different types of objections, different types of responses at this specific stage, which gives you the ability to iterate much faster, train Charlie smarter, not harder. And then once you have a specific agent fully trained on all the different nuances, now you can copy that agent and copy the training data along with it, make some little tweaks to it, and you have a fully trained agent ready to be deployed across your entire pipeline and multiple funnels. To be able to do this, when you go into Charlie, you're going to look at a specific lead conversation and click on the little block. And then from here, you can select the step that you want the training data to specifically apply to. And then from there, you can give Charlie feedback and teach it how you want it to communicate with leads at that specific stage in the process. There you have it. A few key components to improving a brand new integration for March. Linq Blue for cost-effective phone number infrastructure, upgraded Zapier app, custom fields, and precision training tool for Charlie. Here at Charlie, we are constantly evolving to reduce your costs, increase flexibility, and give you more control over every interaction. All the releases are now live inside of your accounts. You can go ahead and explore it, leverage it, and let us know what you end up building with it. See you in the next one. And if you're not using Charlie, what the heck are you doing? Click somewhere on our page, get a demo of Charlie, and see how we can plug it into your business and start producing results for you. Till next time, stay calm, change lives, and have business on your terms. Peace.